Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna paint a very beautiful evening scene. As you can see here in reference, it's a very beautiful house of this painting. So let's get started, and I will tell you how I painted this with in MS Paint, Microsoft Paint with just mouse. Okay, it was live streamed, and this is the speed paint of that live stream, as you can see. So first of all, I cut out the canvas as it was in the stream, so I had to make my own canvas. In this, first I remove the black and whites, then I start putting the highlight, the outlining. Where will be my house? Where will my tree? Just a small indication, not that decision, not that tight decision. I can adjust it. Just start putting the sky color, darkest above, the lightest here, lightest down, and just blend it. And the technique of blending I already told many times in my live stream when people ask how I blend my colors and all. Then I start putting the shadow part like this, dark green. Never use the black and the brightest white. Just avoid them, because in real life you hardly see bright white and darkest black. And just after that I put the highlight color and dark green color. I start giving some detail work, and that's how many people ask how I mastered this type of technique of painting in MS Paint with mouse. It's just practice. You need a lot of practices. It's not my first painting, as you can see. And don't put many expectation when you start these type of things. A new art style or whatever you are trying to, even though not in just art, in your life, when you start something new, you don't expect much from that. In art, people start expecting from first painting that they should start painting like Pablo Picasso or Bob Ross. No bro, you can't. You are not them. You're not him. And they didn't even make that type of painting in their first attempt. So it takes me time, too much time to reach these type of, and I'm still learning. So yeah, you can say the small details. You have to trust your process. Trust the process. If you know what you are doing, well, if your colors are right, if you know what will come next, and if you know how to handle your mistakes, if you are doing it, then your painting gonna be good. You just have to give time. As much as time you can give, it's good. And just like this, I started from back, then I come forward. Like first I do the sky work, then this backward bushes, then house, then this front part of this land. It's a very calm painting. I like this type of painting. If you have any reference like this, I find I try to find many reference like this in Pinterest, but sometimes I don't get it. So if you have, you can send me in my Discord server or in my Instagram page, and it's just a quick 4-minute video for you to show how I painted this in my live stream. Do join my live stream. I do regular live streams. You can subscribe and hit the bell icon to let you know, to get a notification that I am live, and you can see the live magic happens. And that's how it's done. We chat a lot when we are live. There are many friends, many artists over there. Just a small and little like things. These extra things I added from reference, like this poll, like your friends. It just give life to your painting, like someone actually is living there. You know? It's a kind of very calm afternoon, you can say. You have lunch. Maybe you are sleeping. Maybe you are going to fishing. Whatever. I like this type of painting. If you like this, tell me in comments and let me know how is this painting look like. Thank you for joining this video. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. If you are here, I'm very happy that you joined my video. Thank you. I will see you later in my next video. Till then, have a good day. Happy painting.